Hello, grade 2. How are you? So today we have Jolly Phonics. The new sound for today is ow. Ow. So be ready. Here are the objectives of our lessons. Okay. Now move to previous sound. Let's revise the previous sound. Okay. Look at the first one. You know what is it? This is A. A. A for rain. A for snail. Okay. O. O. O for goat. O for coat. O for oak. Well done. Look at third one. I. I. I for tie. I for pie. Okay. Okay, students. Now look at this picture. What can you see there? I see a couch. Okay, and look at this. What is this? This is a mouth. Okay, look. And this is a mouse. Okay, look out the window. There are clouds. Clouds. Okay, so all that words with ow sound. Okay, mouth, a couch, a mouse, clouds. Okay, now students, I'm gonna tell you the story about ow sound. Listen to me. Okay, a girl is at her grandma's house. They are sitting on the couch because the grandma teaching her how to sew. Suddenly, the girl pricked her thumb with the needle and shouts, "Ow! Do the action like this and say, ow. Pretend your finger as a needle, okay? And prick thumb, say, ow, ow. Well done. Now listen to the song of ow sound. Listen again.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to write ow sound. Okay, so we are going to start from left side like this. Okay, then you are going to do it up nicely. Well done. Again, round. Ow, ow. And you are going to finish all of that. Let's read the words together. Okay. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And you are going to circle ow sound. Okay, the next one. Out, out, out. Okay. Well done. Loud. Loud. Okay. Hear the ow sound. K, l, out. Cloud. Cloud. Well done. Okay. And the last one. Ow. Sound. Sound. Okay. Hear the ow sound. Move to the blending. Okay. Look at, let's read together. K, ouch. K, ouch. Couch. You see the meaning of couch? This is couch. Okay. Look at the second one. Cloud. 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 You see the cloud? Wow. Yes. Read with me. Shh. Out. Shh. Out. Shout. You see the meaning of shout? Well done. So couch, cloud, shout. Okay. Now look at this activity. Here we have segmenting. Okay, as usual, التقطيع. So look at, student, what are we going to do? We have two houses. Okay, two houses. One of them with 3 sound and one of them with 4 sounds. Okay, البيت الأول يحتوي على 3 أصوات والبيت الثاني يحتوي على 4 أصوات. So, and here we have words, كلمات. We are going to sort them according to the sounds. ونوزعهم حسب الصوت، كم صوت في الكلمة. So, start with this one. Cloud. Cloud. Okay, so how many sounds on cloud? Let me see. K, l, out. Cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4. Look. Well done. So 4. Excellent. What about loud? How many sounds there? I think 3. Well done. So 3 sounds. What about shout? Sh, out, sh. 1, 2, 3. 3. Look. Well done. What about sound? How many sound? How many sounds there? We will see. Wow, it's 4. 4 sounds. Well done. Look at this one. Look at this one. How many sounds there? It's round. How many sound? Okay, 4 also. Well done. What about mouth? Mouth. How many sounds? Look. 3 sounds. 3 sounds. Couch. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3. So look here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 sounds. Well done. What about count? You know what is count? Count يعني عد. 1, 2, 3. Count. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Well done. Okay. So now we're going to read the sentences together. Number 1. Clouds and rain. Clouds and rain. Okay, here. Number 2. Do not shout. Do not shout or don't shout. Well done. Number 3. Count to 3. Out. Count to 3. Well done. Okay, now tricky words. So the tricky word, the new tricky words for today is want. Want. Want يعني أريد. Here the example. I want some sour candy. I want some sour candy. sour اللي هي حامض يعني الحلاوة الحامضة. Okay, well done. Students, open your Jolly Phonics booklet, page number 10. As you see, we have 3 activities. Okay, let's do number 1, the capital letters. Read with me. E, H, R, M. Now I'm going to show you how to write them. Start with E. Down, dash. Okay. Well done. Move to H. Write it down. Okay. Well done. It's like that. R. Down. R. Well done. Yes. M. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now the tricky words is want. So the new tricky words for today is want. You are going to write it again as a spelling words. Look, then cover, then write it again and check. Okay, move to last activity. Read the words, write the sounds in the boxes. Number 1, out, out. How many sounds there? 2 sounds, as you see. Number 2, loud, l, out. How many sounds? 3 sounds. So let's write it again. L, out, loud. Well done. Number 3, out, mouth. Okay, how many sounds there? 3. Out, mouth, cloud. Okay, k, l, out. How many sounds there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds. Let's write them. K, l, out, cloud. Okay, so finish this at home, student. And the homework for today is you are going to write ow sound on your notebook. Okay, so that's it and goodbye.